Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe, and in this video I'd like to show you how to take off your taillights in order to get to the taillight bulbs if you have to replace them. So I'm going to show you on this light here. Let's open the trunk. Now, first thing we have to do, we have to remove this plastic piece right here. Be careful, because everything when you put your hands on Hyundai plastic parts, they are very brittle, so you should be very careful. So let's take a screwdriver and carefully, actually you want to use two hands just to make sure you don't over kill and scratch something. Okay, here we go, and take the plastic piece out. Next step, there are two screws, 1 and 2, so we'll have to take it out. Let's take them out. All right, so when we have the screws out, put them here. Next step, we have to pull out the light. What I'm doing, I'm taking with one hand, I'm pushing here, with the other hand I'm wiggling this thing and pulling out. The thing is, there is a plastic piece in here which holds down the light to the car, and if you're gonna move this side here, you're most likely gonna break a clip, and you don't want to do that. So I'm gonna push you guys somewhere here to make an idea of how I do this. So as you see, it's actually simple, just like this tick. You have to take it out from here. Okay, now if you have to change a bulb, it's very simple. You can get to the bulb like this, click, spin it and pull it out. And if you have to take the bulb out, you press on it and take it out. When you're going to put it in, you just press on it and spin, press and spin. Okay, let's put it back in, and same thing with the second bulb. Just get whatever. If you need to get something out of your way, get it out of your way. Same way, see, same bulb. That's it, put it in, click it, all set. When you have to put the thing back on, first thing, you want to make sure you align these, okay, over there. I hope you guys can see it. And the second thing is, you have these two pins here, 1 and 2, they go inside here. So 1, 2, 3 leverage points. Okay, so just align it with the door, make sure no gaps, nothing, and then just slightly tap on. Okay, so as you can see, all good, nice and clean, and holes are aligned. That's what you want to see. After that, we just put 2 screws back in place and close it with the, well, obviously we're gonna tighten them up, and then just close it with the lid. That's it. That's the whole procedure. As you can see, it's super simple. So guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.